Flip the unit over and remove 9 6mm screws. Gently insert the opener pick and slide along the edges of the bottom cover to pop it free. Unplug the battery from the motherboard. Remove 10 4mm screws from the motherboard and 1 3mm screw from the Wi-Fi card. Flip open the locking clip and unplug the LCD cable from the motherboard. Push or pull back to unplug the Wi-Fi card from the motherboard. Flip open the locking clips and unplug the daughter board cables from the motherboard. Flip open the locking clip and unplug the touchpad cable from the motherboard. Flip open the locking clip and unplug the palm rest cable from the motherboard. Unplug the speakers from the motherboard. Gently lift up and pull back, taking care not to bend or damage the ports. Plug the speakers back into the motherboard and gently replace the motherboard back into its ports. Replace the metal bracket and replace 10 4mm screws. Carefully reseat the antenna cables. Plug the Wi-Fi card into the motherboard. And if necessary, push down to plug the antenna cables back into the Wi-Fi card. Replace 1 3mm screw back into the Wi-Fi card. Plug the LCD cable back into the motherboard. Plug the daughterboard cables back into the motherboard. Plug the palm rest cable back into the motherboard. Plug the touchpad cable back into the motherboard. Plug the battery back into the motherboard. Replace the bottom cover, and replace 9 6mm screws.